Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you another very quick recipe because I'm super busy right now. I'm working a lot, I'm traveling a lot, so my meals have to be very fast. So for this creamy spaghetti recipe, you will need some tomatoes, and I used very small ones and then cut them down a little bit more. And you want to put them in a bowl and add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 pressed clove of garlic, a lot of salt and pepper. You don't want to be shy with that. And then Italian herbs as well. You can also use fresh herbs, but I like this mixture. Then you want to give that a quick mix and set that to the side. Next, you want to boil your pasta. This will take about 8 minutes. And in a big pan, you want to melt some cream cheese on medium heat. And you want to start doing that when your pasta is done. When that's melted, you want to pour in the tomato mixture as well, and then slowly start mixing that together. Let that sit on low to medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then you're ready to put in the spaghetti, and you want to carefully mix it all together until it's all covered in the sauce. And you can also use some parmesan cheese to serve this, but it's very delicious. As I said, don't be too shy with the herbs. You can also do a little bit of taste test whether you need a little bit more salt or something like that. But that's basically it, so you're done. It's very delicious, and yeah, I will talk to you very soon. Bye!